talk, pillow talk, pillow talk. I'm gonna start by creating a dreamy base with Charlotte's famous magic cream. I use it on every single celebrity I do, or any model I do.
Oh, my skin finally feels like it's got that life back in it.
I'm going in with Charlotte's under eye cream, and I'm just gonna tap it into your skin. Charlotte's Hollywood Flawless Filter as a primer.
Oh, so you're putting it all on the high points of my face.
Exactly.
Yeah.
And you can see on camera, it's just making your skin really glow. Like Wonder Foundation, 6 and 8 together. I like to use a lightweight all over the face because then it keeps your skin looking really natural, and then I'm gonna go in with like a thicker concealer. So I'm gonna be using Charlotte's Magic Vanish Color Corrector in shade 2 on J, and I love to use this product just underneath the eyes. Magic Away Concealer.
I like using concealers more similar to my skin tone.
Yeah.
And then in the evening, I would go with something a bit more lighter.
I kind of like to use a lighter one just here as well, because I feel like, and this just
I haven't really tried that.
Yeah, and that just kind of brightens it up. Yeah. And now the darker shade.
What's your favorite product from the whole collection then?
I love the Pillow Talk eyeshadow palette. Like, I've been using that every day since we've done the campaign, and that is actually one of my favorite eyeshadow palettes, and I feel like it really looks good on everyone. What are your favorite products from Charlotte Tilbury?
If I had to name one, I think it would be the pressed powder that you guys have.
Oh my god, that is amazing.
Yeah, it's so good. I love using it for my under eyes to set my concealer, and even buffing it across my whole face after I finish doing my base.
Yeah.
It just blends everything together, even if I have like blusher and highlighter on.
The Airbrush Rose Finish Powder, which we've been talking about. I just kind of use this down at the T-zone and kind of leave the high points to look glowy.
I use it to under my eyes to like set it all, but I haven't left like my high points to leave it glowy. That's actually quite cool.
Yeah, I always do.
Learned a new trick there today.
Jay's already got the most amazing brows ever. So I'm just gonna use the brush to brush them up. Just fill them in at the ends and just kind of elongate your brows. So now I'm going to be using Charlotte's new Pillow Talk Instant Eye Palette. We're going to be doing the daytime look, which has these gorgeous pearl shades, pink shades, pinky matte shade to contour the eye. That's cool. So I'm going to use the pearly shade, and I'm going to use that all over your eye. I always like to use like a lighter shade all over first, just to prime the eye. And I'm kind of just bringing that down into the inner corner of your eyes as well. And I also kind of like to use my finger and just to tap it on. Again, with eyeshadows, I like to use my fingers and brushes.
It feels really buttery on my eyelids.
It's gorgeous on you. And it's kind of like a metallic texture. In with a smaller brush, and I'm gonna add this just underneath your eyes. So if you look up for me, and I only like to use this kind of underneath your eyes halfway, just keeping the front really bright. Anyone can create an eye with this palette because it's just so easy to do. The product's so emollient, you only really need like 2 swipes of it and it's on your eyes. Now I'm gonna go in with the pinker shade. And again, I'm just gonna use my finger for this, and I'm gonna dab it onto the center of your lid. But I'm gonna kind of keep the metallic lids on the center of your lids and then use the matte shade to kind of contour the eye.
Oh, that's good. Yeah. Are they quite buildable, the shimmers?
Yeah, they're very buildable and they blend really well together. So to contour your eyes, I'm just gonna go in with the matte shade, and I kind of just place it into the socket of the eye, bringing it halfway, so I never bring it all the way to the front. And then I kind of blend it out into a triangular shape, like creating like a soft cat eye. I am obsessed with Charlotte's new eyeliner. I feel like she doesn't have a shade like it, and I really feel like this liner really pops your eyes. Now I'm just gonna add a bit of Charlotte's mascara. I've just finished off Jay's gorgeous eye with a couple of individual lashes, and I'm just gonna go in with Charlotte's Filter Bronze and Glow to give her killer cheekbones and to sculpt her face. So if you just suck in your cheekbones, and I'm just gonna follow the hollow, blending backwards and forwards. And this is just just really gonna give you a really gorgeous contoured face. So for highlight, I'm going to be using Charlotte's Pillow Talk Beauty Light Wand, and I'm going to use it as a blush and highlighter together. And I'm just going to tap that in with my finger. Next, I'm going in with Charlotte's medium lip liner in Pillow Talk. It's a great way to keep your lipstick in place as well. And now I'm going to go in with the medium Pillow Talk lipstick. I love this shade of Pillow Talk. It's still dreamy but rich with colour. And to finish this gorgeous look off, I'm going to be using Charlotte's Pillow Talk blush. And I just like to go in a round motion. So what do you think?
I love the lipstick colour, it looks so good. It's like a really soft, sultry glam.
Exactly. So there you have it, Charlotte's new Pillow Talk collection.